Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to sir question 84. A. Sir, the amount sanctioned for development of interstate border villages under ISBADP during the year 2018-19 is 1 crore, and for the year 2019-20 and 2021 is nil as on date. The district-wise allocation for the year 18-19 is as given below. Ribhoy 33,58,000. Then Southwest Karo Hills 2,84,000. West Karo Hills 9,84,000. West Dainty Hills 8,16,000. East Dainty Hills 11,07,000. West Khas Hills 6,17,000. North Karo Hills 11,34,000. Total is subtotal 8 lakh, and skill development 10 lakh, and monitoring and evaluation 2 lakh. So the total is 1 crore. B. Sir, the total number of villages in the Ribhoy district is 117, and total number of villages enlisted on the Nongpo constituency is 13. The name of the village is as per statement placed on the table of the House.
Bameral Bonds.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for elaborately answer all these questions, and especially for the amount sanctioned for Ribhoy, 38,58,000 in the year 2018-19. Sir, in the course of response to B, on these villages under Nongpo constituency, where have been raised on that day also when we have a start question on the same issue. Here the list is 13, but actual at the ground there are 10 more villages. I have informed the House that day also, which is very much under the parameter of the guidelines within this scheme, which is 0 to 10 kilometer, and villages within 0 to 5 kilometer priority will be given. So I would like to get an assurance from the Honorable Minister that the remaining 10 villages also will be enlisted in the village as the beneficiary for this project, for this scheme.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have already replied that day that this we will look into it. If they fall within the parameter, they will surely include in the list of BADP.
So, second question. Yesterday only the government, MDA coalition, has just got the confidence of the House, but the same confidence of the people also. Each and every citizen of our state, we are very much concerned about our border, be it international border or even state border. Only in Ribhoy there are 117 villages enlisted. Different districts also they have many villages. My point of concern is that amount sanctioned in 2019-20, 2021 is nil. What is the very basic reason that this very important department, so that we can develop infrastructure in all the bordering villages neighboring Assam, so that we can protect our border, but since the government and the department did not take initiative to sanction scheme in 1920-22, I want to know the reason from the Honorable Minister.
Sir, I have already replied that day, but I will repeat my reply that this year the government will sanction some scheme under this ISBADP, sir.
Sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister that whether all those districts which is bounding Assam, whether the block or the border area development officer has been appointed, or they are in place or not in all those bordering with us.
Sir, most of the area have been appointed except Ribhoi district, where it is being entrusted to DRDA.
That's why, sir, I'm asking, because in Ribhoi we don't have. We share a long boundary with Assam. We should have a dignified officer to be appointed immediately so that he can look after of all the villages within Ribhoi. And I want an assurance from the Honorable Minister that the border area development officer be appointed so that he can look after those villages.
Sir, I agree with the suggestion of the honorable member, but I cannot assure that they will appoint immediately. We will see that the process how to do, but I will ensure that whatever scheme executed and will be executed will be done as per the guideline and to the satisfaction of the people, sir.
Bakyufa.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I fully endorse what the Honorable MLA from Nongpo. If there's no border development scheme in the area, border area, there's a higher propensity of Assam to take advantage of it by encroaching into our areas. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister if there was any budget allocation in the year 2019-20 and 2021.
Sir, budget allocation is there.
So, if the budget allocation is there, then why has the amount not been released to the different districts to implement this scheme, sir?
As I have said, that releasing the budget is there, but the sanction is as availability of fund. But as I said again and again, that the department, the government will sanction some scheme under ISBADP this year, sir.
George.
Honorable Speaker, sir, this House, when we pass a budget, sir, it is a commitment made to the people of the state, sir, based on the resources that the state expects to collect. Simultaneously, it is also expected to expend. Now, 2 years, the interstate boundary programs have been suspended because of non-release of funds. And this itself makes the villages along the interstate boundary feel orphaned, at the same time exploited. Before the start of the session, sir, several headmen from the Block 2 area came to meet me, highlighting the fact that the Forest Department officials from Assam have now started to stop the citizens residing in that area who are of our community to stop their livelihoods and including plantations and cultivation. Whether these areas fall under forest land or individual land, the citizens living there are being harassed by the forest officials. So perhaps this audacity of the Assam government through its officials to keep on harassing the citizens along the interstate boundary is an outcome of the sudden withdrawal of the state government to augment programs, support the commitment that has been given to the people through the budget, and also follow it up with support of funds. Just the day before also, one
Honourable Member, this is question hour. Please
sir,
put
I'm
your
coming to the point,
question,
sir.
please.
Sir,
Come to
because
the
it
question.
is pertinent to the principal answer, sir, because funds have not been allocated, people are losing livelihoods, and the lands are being encroached. It is an outcome of this entire withdrawal of funds, sir. That's why, sir, I would request the government, sir, that perhaps by the end of this financial year, please release adequate funds to these areas, and at the same time augment them with officers and staff that we will be able to implement these programs steadfastly, sir, so that people will get the confidence of the state government, sir.
So first of all, I have to tell the honorable member that it is not only the interstate border area department which do developmental work in the interstate border. This department, the sanction of fund started in 2011 and 12. Until date, sir, since the inception of Meghalaya, till date, if we talk about the encroachment, this and that, to link to this department, that's why there is a multi-pronged strategy how to protect the border and how to bring development to the border area of the state. I would like to mention here that through the Department of Border Area Development, from the inception of the state till date, only 39 crore, 58 lakh and 80,000 have been sanctioned. But more than 200 times, 300 times, through all the line department, the government have done to develop the border area. But I agree with the honourable member that fund we will provide in this current financial year. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I totally appreciate the reply of the Honourable Minister, sir, where other departments are also trying to put in their efforts to step up the support to the interstate villages that are under the dispute, sir. But then, sir, the belongingness will come only if we see that there is support on the ground, sir. Yes, even though if there are sanctions, there are funds, there's a lot of hurdles. We put up a school, suddenly somebody comes and destroys it. We put up a road under MGNRJ, the police comes and stops it. So, sir, even though the efforts are put in, the obstacles and the kind of force that is being pushed back, these exercises are being pushed back because we are seeing to be relenting to the efforts of the Assam government, sir. That's why, sir, I am requesting for the government to at least step up its activities, not only financial, sir, that then the entire blessing of the government and that kind of presence should be felt, sir, because people are complaining. We are bringing this because people have come and complained, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I disagree with honourable member that we are relenting to the pressure of Assam. As I said before, it is our endeavour to develop our border area, interstate border area of the state, and we will do not only through the border area department, but through all other line department, which sanction scheme every now and then for the benefit of the people of the state.